interesting psychological facts about girls' love. Love is a never-ending topic that one might take their entire life to figure out. In every situation, people react in a different manner, and a girl's psychology about love is a whole other horizon. Number 1. If a girl loves a boy and he stares her deep in the eyes, it will make her knees weak. Number 2. Girls love to feel special, even though they might not show it. Number 3. Girls love receiving letters and surprises. Amp up your gifting game, guys. Number 4. A kiss on her hand at the right time can be real turn on. Number 5. Women feel that men become more attractive if they saw other women smiling at them. Is it really so? Number 6. In every girl's life, there's a boy she will never forget. Number 7. When a guy says something really sentimental, girls will remember it forever and ever. Number 8. Women like forehead kisses above everything. Number 9. If you like a girl, try making friends with her first. Number 10. If a girl is not completely over her ex, they do not talk ill about them. Number 11. If you don't like a girl who likes you, break it to her gently. Number 12. Girls daydream about their crushes all the time. They just don't show it. Number 13. When girls have a crush on someone, she thinks highly of him but does not tell anyone. Number 14. When a girl cooks for you, you mean a lot to her. Number 15. In every girl's life, there are 3 boys: boy who is loved by a girl, boy who is hated by a girl, and boy whom she thinks that she can't live without.
Number 16. Girls love it when guys say their name.
Number 17. Girls want to be cuddled a lot. Number 18. If a girl loves a guy, he will always be there in her mind, even though she flirts with other guys.